Here we are going to sketch the graph of y is equal to cosec x. We know cosec x is equal to 1 over sine x. Then first we can sketch the graph of y is equal to sine x. We know the graph of y is equal to sine x. First we can draw that one. It will come like this. Then here you can check sine value at 0, 0, at pi sine value 0, at 2 pi sine value 0. The same way at negative pi also sine value 0 and negative 2 pi also sine value 0. That means if you take the reciprocal, that means 1 over sine x at these points, we will get 1 over 0. 1 over 0 is not defined. That means these value at this point we can't find cosec value. There we can draw asymptote. There the cosec values are not defined. Okay, then next we can consider from 0 to pi. First we can consider from 0 to pi. There the sine maximum value is 1 and minimum value is 0. Then if you take the reciprocal, that means 1 over sine x, that is cosec x. Then cosec x is equal to 1 over sine x, that means 1 over this value. These all values are in between 0 and 1. If we take the reciprocal of that value, then we will get that values are more than 1. That means that region, the cosec graph, we can draw like this. These all values are more than 1. At pi over 2, we know sine value 1 and cosec value also 1, because 1 over 1 will get 1. All other values, if you take all other values, this part you can check the reciprocal. If you take the reciprocal, that means reciprocal means 1 over, we know cosec x is equal to 1 over sine x. That means 1 over this each value, because each value, these all values are less than 1, that is in between 0 and 1. Then if you take the reciprocal of that value, it will always be more than 1. Then that region, the graph will come like this. The same way, the other part also, the graph will go like this. The same procedure we can apply in this region also. Then there we know from pi to 2 pi, that values, the minimum value is -1 and maximum value is 0. Then if you take reciprocal, then it will come like this. Then we can draw that part. Okay, the same procedure I'm going to apply here from -pi to 0. Then that region we know the minimum value -1 and maximum value 0. The same way if you take reciprocal, then reciprocal of that value, we know that one, that values are less than -1. That means the graph, it will come like this. The same procedure we can apply here from -2 pi to -pi. There also we can see that when the maximum value is 1 and minimum value is 0. Then if you take the reciprocal, it is always more than 1. That is at 1, the value is which one? The reciprocal 1 over 1. We will get there, that value is 1. That is -3 pi over 2. At -3 pi over 2, cosec value, we know cosec value. And sine value also 1. Then all other values are, cosec values are more than 1. That means we can draw the curve like this. This is the sketch of y is equal to cosec x. Then this part, that is -2 pi, -pi and 0, pi and 2 pi. That region, that value, cosec values are not defined. Why cosec values are not defined? At this region, we know sine values are 0, 1 over 0 is not defined. Okay, that means these are the asymptote of y is equal to cosec x. Okay, thank you.